Tell Mr. Ratchet his 10 o'clock is here.
I'm all over it. Yes, sir.
Mr. Bigwell, sir! Mr. Bigwell, sir! Oh, Mr. Bigwell! No! No! How am I not here? Tell him anything! Just throw it in!
Ratchet! I'll come right to the point.
What happened? Run out of dominoes? I'll send you some more.
You're fired!
Fired? On what grounds? This company's never been more profitable.
Profits! Now get out!
No, wait. Please, listen to me.
Get me secured!
Wait, please.
Okay, what did you want to say?
Oh my gosh, I'm as crazy as my mom.